Mo kí gbogbo ojú tí ó ń wò mí níbikíbi tí ẹ ti ń wò mí ní ọ̀sán yìí. Kilefededa lẹ̀ ń wò lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Mo ní báwo ni iṣẹ́ ń lọ ní mẹ̀lọmẹ̀lọ. Ṣóhun gbogbo ń ṣe déédéé lẹ́nu iṣẹ́. Àdá ọba, ọkọ ọba kò ní kọ́ ẹnìkọ̀ọ̀kan yín lẹ́sẹ̀ lọ́lá Elédùmarè. This is Kilefededa once again coming back to your screen with Doris Oluwatoyin Akintewe. On this program today, what we're going to be learning is verb. Verb is what we're going to be learning today. Everybody, maybe a lot of people know that in English, verb is an action word. It is a word used to describe an action. Let me start by saying that verb in Yorùbá is called ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe. Let me say it again. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe. Verb in Yorùbá is called what again? Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe. Word is ọ̀rọ̀ in Yorùbá. Word is ọ̀rọ̀. Ìṣe is act or action. So words used for action. Ní èdè Yorùbá, ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe jẹ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí a máa fi ń ṣàpèjúwe ìṣe kan tàbí òmíràn. What I just said is that verb are words used to describe an action or the other. Not to waste your time, we're going to be going straight into examples. Of course, I would not give you all of the examples of verbs in Yoruba language, but definitely I'm going to try as much as possible to give you quite and as much as I can. Let me know what you're having challenge with in Yoruba. You can comment in the comment box. Let me know what you want to be translated in Yoruba. Then definitely, like our usual practice, I am going to respond to you. Okay, let's start from the simple ones. In Yoruba, if you want to say go, it is lo. Go, lo. And then the opposite of go is come. Wa. You can say Johnson, wa. That means Johnson, come. If you say go Shade, it means Shade lo. You can say lo. Yeah, that is go. And come is wa. Don't forget. Go is what? Lo. While come is what? Wa. Another example, let's say walk. Work is rin. Can he walk now? Maybe you go or you visit a friend who is nursing a baby. Maybe the last time you saw the baby was 3 months. Now the baby is about a year. You can say, Titi, walk. Titi, rin. So let's take a walk. Jeka join. Okay. Then let's do run. Run is sare. Don't forget, like I said, to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Doris Akintewe. Please subscribe, share the videos if you find it educating, like them, and definitely you're going to improve in this language, Yoruba, the international language to be reckoned with everywhere in the world. Sare, run, sare. It's a compound word. Sa, ere, that is run. Ere is race. So to run a race is to sare. Sare. Don't forget. Please take note. Sare, sit. Maybe you have a visitor and then you're trying to say, oh, please sit down. You will just say joko. Or if there are more than one, you can say joko. Is the plural marker in your expression. So you say joko, that is sit down. Sleep is soon. Let me see. Okay, I have here drink. Have a drink. Or take this water and drink. Drink is mu. To drink is mu. If you want to say drink water is mu omi. Water is omi in Yorùbá. Mu omi, drink water. Drink wine, mu ọtí. Wine in Yorùbá is ọtí. Anyway, there are two kinds of wine in Yorùbá. Just like in English, you can always, describe the difference in the kind of wine you're talking about. It could be an alcoholic wine or a non-alcoholic wine. So if it's a non-alcoholic wine, you say ọtí ẹlẹ́rìndòdò. Let me say it again. Ọtí ẹlẹ́rìndòdò. That is a non-alcoholic wine. But if it is an alcoholic wine, you say ọtí líle. Ọtí líle. Ọtí líle. That is a strong wine and it is used for alcoholic wine. On the streets in Yoruba, you can hear them say gbagbalukoto. That's translated, this is a drink that can make an elderly person fall into a pit. Of course, the wine takes away some level of consciousness, you become possessed. Okay, so that's not where we're going. Sing song. Sing a song. Kọ orin. Song in Yoruba is orin. Orin. Then if you want to say sing, it's kọ. Kọ. Kọ orin. Sing song. Kọ orin. Sing song. Okay, yes, clap. This is àtẹ́wọ́. Àtẹ́wọ́ is clap, but if you want to use clap as a verb, àtẹ́wọ́ is clap as a noun. But if you want to use clap as a verb, it is pàtẹ́wọ́. Pa àtẹ́wọ́. Àtẹ́wọ́ is this. This is àtẹ́wọ́ in Yoruba, part of the body. Your palm is àtẹ́wọ́. So when they say pa àtẹ́wọ́, is put together your palm. Put your palms together. The English translation is put your hands together for somebody. You just clap. Okay, so pa àtẹ́wọ́. Put your hands together. All right. Yeah, call me. Call is pè mí. Pè mí. Call me. Me is me. How do I describe that to us? Okay, call is pè. So if you want to say, will you call me? Ṣé wàá pè mí? Me is spelled in English as M-E, and in Yoruba it is spelled as M-I. You can check that up on my YouTube channel, Alphabet in Yoruba, and how words are formed in Yoruba language.